So you may be wondering, what is the MyHeritage app all about? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining that and also show you how you can use it. So let's get started. So I'm on the Google Play Store, and you can get MyHeritage from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. And the description says you can animate the faces in your family photos with deep nostalgia. So basically you can take a still image and animate it with this app. It's pretty cool and it's going viral on apps like TikTok. You may have seen it. So the best way to explain how this works is to just show you. So I'm going to be going ahead and opening up the MyHeritage app. And when you launch it for the first time, you will need to create an account. You just can sign up with Facebook, Google, or your email. And then once you're on this screen, you want to go ahead and tap on photos at the bottom in the middle. And then on this photo screen, you can see a plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap on add photos. So I'll just select the photo that I took for this video. Go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the top right of the screen once you've selected your photo, and then you want to just tap on upload at the top right. And now the photo has been uploaded, so I can go ahead and tap on it. Now to go ahead and animate this and make it a moving image, you can see all those icons at the top. What you want to do is tap on the first icon. It kind of looks like a meteorite type of icon. Just go ahead and tap on that, and now it's going ahead and animating the photo. So this will take a few moments. I'll just give it time to do that. And now you can see it's kind of like an animated video, which is pretty cool and it's pretty realistic if you ask me. So if you want to go ahead and change what type of animation you see, go ahead and tap on the animation at the top and you can select a different animation, and then it will go ahead and enhance to that animation. And that's what animation 4 looks like. So once you're happy with your animation, you can go ahead and tap on the download button at the top right of the screen. That'll save it to your phone's gallery, and then you can go ahead and post this on apps like TikTok and Instagram and things like that. So that is basically what MyHeritage is and how you can use it to create animated videos from your photos. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.